Hey guys, Jacob Howard here with FPV Unlocked, and today I'm going to show you how to tighten down the throttle stick on the DJI controller so that you can do acro mode with it all the way down, so you don't have to worry about it springing back like that. So first off, we're going to need a 1.5 millimeter hex screw, and we're going to turn this thing around, and we're going to just pry up this area right here. Just pry that up right where the arrow is. And then just kind of pull it out like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to tighten down this F1 screw and the F2 screw. So when you tighten those down, it's going to give enough resistance that it will not spring back on the spring. So just keep turning it clockwise until it starts to give you some resistance. Don't keep going on it. You don't want to strip the screw or ruin anything. Just keep turning until it gets tight. Okay. So now we can see with this guy, he now does not spring back and forth. So I can fly and be able to adjust or just let go of the throttle. It's going to stay exactly where I left it. This is a little tight right now. I tightened it a little bit too much. So if you want, you can set that how much you want it. So I'm just going to loosen it up just a bit. And that already feels a lot better. So, and then your F2 screw, you can loosen that a little bit as well. Because yeah, I definitely did it a little bit too much. So that should be good. There we go. So that feels much better already. That's going to give me the throttle control that I really want. So that's how you guys do it. If you have any questions, definitely let me know, and have fun flying.